What was it like? You and 20 other persons every Thursday coming here at MDS. What was it like?
I will tell you this much. When I set out to do it, I didn't know what to expect. But after getting into it, I've gotten very anxious to be here every Thursday because I realized that the information that I was receiving was so vital to my health and my controlling my high blood pressure.
If there was one thing or two things or even three things you took away, what were the takeaway messages?
Well, I would tell everybody to try as much as possible to monitor their blood pressure, and I would say to anyone that sees there's a problem with their blood pressure to try as much as possible to find out information about it and to attend these sessions once they are available to them, because it's very informative and it will definitely make a change in the way you eat and the routines every day.
Now, how has your views on hypertension changed since participating in the sessions?
Well, I will tell you that has changed at least 100%. The thing is, I never knew so much information was there to be known, because even after I left the session every Thursday, I reminisce on the interaction with all the other participants and all their views and and what the lecturers talk about and all that. It keeps circulating in my mind for a long time, up to the next day. One thing very important to me right now is what I choose to eat, right? The sodium content of the food I choose. Because my choices used to be at random. I just select according to how I feel, and if I like it, I eat it. But now what I'll do, I will pay more attention to the food label and use that as a guidance for what to eat and what to eat. Thirdly, I would definitely use more spices, fruits and vegetables along with my everyday meals.